Package: 4 PCs Winter Christmas theme nail stamping plates plus 1 French tip nail stamp plus 1 scraper and 1 instruction, designed with snowflake, snowman, Christmas tree, Santa Claus, elk and other Christmas elements. Material and size. The size is 4.72 inches * 2.36 inches, 12 centimeters * 6 centimeters. The steel plate is made of high-quality 304 stainless steel, which is durable, not easy to deform, and has a blue protective film. Simple and fast. Apply nail polish to the pattern you choose. Use a scraper to remove excess paint. Press the seal on the steel plate to make a unique and lovely decal. Christmas tree multi-purpose. Beginners and experienced manicurists can easily use it. You can make it yourself. It is a necessary nail decoration accessory for Christmas, and a perfect gift for girls and women who love nail art. Consider its service. If you have any questions about your purchase, please feel free to contact us. We will reply to you as soon as possible and try our best to solve your problem. Top reviews from the United States. Beach stamps. It was so easy to apply, but you will need the paint made for stamping. Can't use your gel polish. I applied the polish then palm trees and seagulls, now all I need is the ocean and sand.